When it comes to maintenance, we've got real-time plant performance. We can see immediate out-of-range anomalies. We can get a reduction in the reactive call-outs, which is a big cost. We can assess individual plant performance, as I've already mentioned, but importantly, we can automate the audits from real-time data. So, for example, with Legionella, and we can have a large amount of the data for ESOS or for ISO 50001 or any other form of management reporting automatically generated. So it's saving a large amount of management time. So if we look at a case study, property management, the challenge for the client was they had increasing energy costs. They had a high level of reactive call-outs, limited space, and very high maintenance cost. So our solution was to monitor the plant, the occupancy level, the energy, and how the facility was used. So that way we could optimize the space usage, change some of the processes within facilities management, and look at the way energy was consumed. There were alarms which escalated, and again, we had the single portal for reporting on multiple systems. The result was staggering. We had an ROI of within a year. We had reduced energy costs of between 10 to 18%. And for every pound of energy that's saved, at least £2 was saved in operational savings. We had dramatic savings on time to fix, on calls, and call outs. And so overall, it was a fantastic project in the fact that it did everything that was said on the tin, it achieved.